kugamba, talibu bakukwana, talibu basoko chaka, talibu basoko chakera. Ambokera omenyo kemba kamino, talibu bakugamba, talibu bakukwana, talibu basoko chaka, talibu basoko chakera. Talibu bakugamba, talibu bakukwana, talibu basoko chaka, talibu basoko chakera. Usijali ni mwanzo mdogo ngangana, talibu basoko chakera. Kapagaka okay ya mangana, talibu basoko chakera. Kazi ndi kazi kijana kazana, talibu basoko chakera. Tige bitino morai iguana, talibu basoko chakera. Akuna chabure omwabo pambana, talibu basoko chakera. Kepige koruana ntunto libana, talibu basoko chakera. One David tuzita Ivana, talibu basoko chakera. Atoko vibaya tonya gotema, talibu basoko chakera. Talibu bakugamba, talibu bakukwana, talibu basoko chaka, talibu basoko chakera. Talibu bakugamba, talibu bakukwana, talibu basoko chaka, talibu basoko chakera. Talibu bakugamba, talibu bakukwana, talibu basoko chaka, talibu basoko chakera.
Combo, this one where you wear canopy for this kind of hot sun.
Hey man, what's your business, man? What's your business? Now let me tell you something because you don't know nothing. What's the problem, man? Okay, tell me, how this shirt when I wear for body now take me your concern? How they concern you, man?
I just show my concern, no.
Okay.
You just invite him.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up, wool up, wool up. Just wool up. What's the business, man? Because I'm here with you. You think you're operating in somewhere there? Man, you don't know nothing, man. You know what you are? EP, a.k.a. Enemy of Progress. Now listen, have you been to South Africa before? Joburg, a.k.a. Johannesburg. You haven't been there before? Oh, no way. You've never been to South Africa before? So me, you know what I'm saying? You get out of here right now. What?
You just invite heat rashes.
Do me a favor.
Dusting powder don't increase, though.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Get in Igbo. Get out of here for real. You know what I'm saying? Get out of here for real. You know what I'm saying? Get out of here.
Waiting concern you.
Yeah, motherfucker, man. I'm saying. Holla. Hold on. Shit. Saying you don't know nothing, but I'm gonna tell you something. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo. Tough nigga, man.
I will help the gods to restore your sanity. You slapped me. I will slap you again.
Onyemowa has been sent to me by the gods. Leaving him means leaving my happiness. I must marry Onyemowa, and you must give us your blessings.
Oh, you're just as useless as the one you brought.
Your Majesty.
Oh, shut up.
I know the man I want, and that is the man that was arrested to be killed. I have freed him, and nobody else will say anything to me.
The gods of this land have approved my marriage to the princess. They gave us signs even before we met. Why are you going contrary to the dictates of the gods? Are you not scared to say it to my face? Onyeze, this is war.
That fool has pushed me to the wall. I had wanted to follow him and end it with diplomacy. But coming to a one man in the abode of the king has changed everything. Strike him and Ubasina cheek.
You want to welcome and understand a man that's been meant for sacrifice?
He is not meant for any sacrifice.
Will you shut that thing you call mouth?
You will never marry that maiden. They are our enemies, and that they shall remain. Enemies!
A disturbing enemy from an enemy kingdom.
Stop compounding my problems by referring to her as an enemy too. Guards! Take this cursed maiden out of this palace now.
You were determined to disobey your father the king and marry the same maiden he already ordered you not to marry.
If you cannot withstand the storm and protect our love, then don't touch me again.
And you stand here and talk about a useless wife with no class, no background?
How dare you talk to me like that, you disobedient daughter of a useless mother.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.